How to remove debit or credit card on TEMU. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can remove debit or credit card on TEMU. For that, you can open the TEMU app on your device and make sure to sign into your account. If you do not have the TEMU app, you can also open up any web browser and head over to temu.com. Now, once you're here, you want to tap on the profile icon and then you want to tap on the settings option. Now, this page is going to be displayed. If you are on the TEMU app, you want to tap on the U button at the bottom of your screen, then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings. Then you want to tap on the Your Payment Methods option. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, all of the payment methods are going to be displayed over here if you have saved them. That's going to include your debit or credit card. Now, if you want to delete your debit or credit card, go ahead and locate that card. Once you have located it, you want to tap on that. Now, you will have the option of Delete Credit or Debit Card option. Go ahead and tap on that Delete option. Now, it's going to ask you for confirmation. Go ahead and confirm that you want to delete that card. After you have done that, that debit or credit card is going to be removed from here. Now, if you want to add another credit or debit card, go ahead and tap on this button right here. Now, enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV number and tap on Add Your Card option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.